When you're in a Zoom meeting, you also have access to a tool called the Zoom Whiteboard, where you can use to collaborate with your participants or even use it as a presentation method. To access your whiteboard, on your Zoom toolbar, you're going to click on Share. Then you're going to click on Documents, then Whiteboard, and then you're going to click on Share. You're going to see any other whiteboards you have created in the past in previous meetings, so you can reference those, or you can create a new one. So we'll create a new whiteboard here. Within the whiteboard, you have several tools at your disposal. You can use a simple pen and write out your text and draw it. You can insert shapes and then insert your text here. You can insert lines. You can insert plain text. You can insert equations, sticky notes, comments, and frames. The cool thing with using the whiteboard is you can use their AI companion tool to generate summaries and meeting notes and visuals from previous meetings. So if you click on the AI companion icon and click on, for example, create from meeting, I'm going to create my visual based on today's meeting. Let's see what happens. And then we're going to hit go. And give it a couple of seconds for it to run. Depending on how long your meeting was will determine how long this takes to generate your visual. And now I'm prompted to finalize this visual. So I'm going to hit insert. And you can see that based on the meeting that I had, that it created meeting details, produced attendees, discussion topics, and key takeaways. So it's a handy tool if you want to use the AI companion to generate a good visual of a previous meeting you had, or even the current meeting you're in. The other thing to keep in mind is who can edit your whiteboards and who can collaborate and work on it with me. For example, here you can see currently on this whiteboard, it's me as the owner, and then we have Harry Potter, who is an external user because this person is not currently signed in. So since Harry is on the meeting, Harry can freely add text or whatever other visuals he wants, but he won't be able to access this whiteboard after the meeting because he is not signed in with a Zoom account. But there is a way I can share this with Harry. I can click on the three dots here and more, and I can export this as a PDF. I can save this as a PDF with whatever file name I want. I can export that. Most likely it came into my downloads folder, so let's go ahead and open up my downloads. And it didn't come to my downloads, so where did it go? Let's view this in folder. And so it did create my PDF for me within my documents in my OneDrive. So if we open this up, and let's use Adobe Acrobat. And now I can see my visual, my Zoom whiteboard as a PDF. So I can send this to Harry as a PDF file via email or Teams, however you communicate with your participants. And that concludes this video.